In this video, I'm going to show you how to run Python code in Kaggle. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open your notebook, or of course you could just create a new one by clicking on the plus button top left and clicking on Notebook. Now, in here, you can then go and of course add inputs like datasets, stuff like that. You can change things, change GPU acceleration, under session options, etc. And then if you want to run the Python code, it's super simple. All you have to do is simply add a code block over here. So click on plus code either over here or up here top left to add the cell, and then in here is where you actually put the code. So here I just basically pasted in a sample code I generated with Gemini, and I'm going to run it for you. This, as you can see here, is a Python code, and it's going to basically give me the output over here. Okay, so that's how to run Python code. Just put it in here into the block, the cell, and then click on the run button over here, and you're good to go. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.